Customizing button operations. The EOS 7D has more extensive possibilities to configure different buttons and controls than any previous Canon EOS SLR. For example, you can change what happens when you press the shutter button halfway. There are 5 different options for the rear AF on button. Even the depth of field preview button can be reconfigured for any of 6 different functions. The rear multi-controller can be configured to immediately move your AF points without need to press any other buttons. This is an ideal way of quickly changing AF points when you're shooting, especially for photographers who like to manually select their AF point. It's all done with custom function 4.1. This lets you alter the function of 10 different controls on the EOS 7D. Once you call up custom function 4.1, press the Set button and you'll see this screen. Now, highlight the control you want to alter. The first one is for the camera shutter button. The factory default is for a half press on the shutter button to activate metering and autofocus. But you can change that to either metering alone with no AF or to the asterisk icon, which means AE lock. Exposure would be instantly taken and locked when you press the shutter button halfway down on this setting. For this example, we'll choose AE lock. Highlight this and then press the rear Set button. Your choice is now registered. You can repeat the procedure and reset it at any time. There's an even easier way to restore all control settings to the factory default. Call up custom function 4.1, press the Set button once. Then press the Picture Style button. You'll see it indicated along with default settings on the LCD monitor. No matter what you've done to customize the camera, you've now returned it to the original factory settings. The EOS 7D can be personalized to meet nearly any photographer's needs. It's not just changing functions. The beauty of this customization is that different combinations of functions can be combined to actually change the way the camera works in your hands, enhancing its performance and speed.